BabyTales.
Hello, Pokémon trainers and artists. Today, we're diving into the world of Pokémon as we draw and color one of the newest additions to the franchise, Sprigatito. Get your Pokeballs ready, because we're about to create some art magic. So, grab your art supplies and let's catch 'em all. Let's start by sketching out the basic shape of our Sprigatito. Picture its feline features, leafy tail, and mischievous expression. Take your time to capture the essence of this grass-type starter Pokémon. Now, let's add some Pokémon details to our Sprigatito. Draw in its signature stripes, whiskers, and leafy adornments. Pay close attention to the intricate details that make Sprigatito unique. Time to bring our Sprigatito to life with color. Choose shades of green for its grassy elements, and don't forget to add pops of color to its fur. Let your imagination run wild as you experiment with different color combinations. Once you're happy with your coloring, add any final touches to your artwork. Maybe add some shading to give Sprigatito a three-dimensional look. or add a background to complete the scene. Let's make our Sprigatito artwork truly magical. And there you have it, our very own Sprigatito, ready to embark on its Pokémon journey. We've captured the essence of this grass-type starter Pokémon in our artwork. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to subscribe for more Pokémon art adventures. Until next time, happy drawing, happy coloring, and may your Pokémon journey be filled with creativity and fun.